What fire crews are worried about is that wind. As soon as the spark starts, it can make it go. And as Carly mentioned, as we were driving here, it was difficult to keep the car on the road. So that's just the impact that these winds are having. So we're near Interstate 505 between Winters and Esparto, and these wind gusts have increased as we've gone into the evening. Looking at the different weather instruments that we have in this area, the sustained winds are around 20 miles per hour, but it's that wind gust that fire crews are worried about. And you can take a look all around me. It's this dry vegetation that fire crews are worried about. As soon as a fire catches these, that wind is gonna make it go. And it's vegetations like these that are spread out across the west side of the Sacramento Valley. High winds are good for wind turbines, but a nightmare scenario for firefighters.
Preparation is always ongoing.
Esparto Fire Protection District Fire Chief Curtis Lawrence has beefed up his station with the help from volunteers and Yolo County for this red flag warning event.
We're participating in a pre-positioned task force within the county. We've upstaffed a Type 3 wildland engine with 3 personnel.
They will also have 2 people on duty 24/7 instead of just 1, and many more on standby.
We put a lot of volunteers on notice and asked them to make a sacrifice to be available through this event.
The event bringing high wind gusts to areas where conditions are dry and waiting for a spark, prompting firefighters to stand by to jump on any new fires, as PG&E has notified customers whose power could be shut off because their equipment could be impacted by high winds. CAL FIRE LNU also beefing up staffing, bringing additional support from the Humboldt region.
You know, we're not out of the woods yet. Hopefully in the near future, we start getting that rainfall.
The state has dealt with its fair share of wildfires late in the season, like 2017's Tubbs fire in the Santa Rosa area, which killed 22 people. Then a year later, the devastating Camp Fire in Paradise started in November of 2018, killing 85 people. Both fires were caused by electric companies, one of them PG&E. Which is why fire officials are asking people to be extra careful over the next few days.
It's definitely not over. We may have gotten a tiny bit of precipitation over yesterday, but that didn't impact our fuels.
And we are told all CAL FIRE and contracted aircrafts are on standby in case a wildfire does begin. But luckily so far that is not the case. Hopefully that will not be the case. But right now fire crews are just hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. Reporting live in Yolo County, Garge Paul Sunga, ABC 10.